Welcome to Bricklayer. In this video, I'm going to get you started on using Vitruvia. So Vitruvia is a web app that teaches you the essentials of Bricklayer coding. Specifically, what Vitruvia does is it sort of isolates some key concepts that you need to understand in order to write Bricklayer programs and gives you practice developing an understanding of those concepts. So in this video, I'm going to show you Vitruvia Concept 1. So let's go to Vitruvia. So if you're at the Bricklayer web page, if you go to Apps, in Vitruvia, and then over to Exercises, and you start out with Concept 1 here. So Concept 1, Demo 1. So what Vitruvia Concept 1 does is it gives you practice describing locations, the locations of cells on a grid. And we're going to describe these locations using a pair of integers. And in this context, these integers are referred to as coordinates. So we have a pair of coordinates. And so in math terms then, this kind of grid is called a Cartesian plane, and the system for identifying locations on this plane is called a Cartesian coordinate system. So this question here, right, it says put a 1x1 green brick in the cells whose locations are, and then it gives you a number of locations, pairs of coordinates. And so what you're going to do to answer this question is you got to first go down with your mouse and click on the green brick. And then we're going to place this green brick in the various cells that have these positions. So 0, 0 is right here. A question comes up as to where 5, 1 is. So one guess would be I go up and over, in which case 5, 1 would be up here. The other possibility is I go over and up. And so a good rule of thumb for remembering this is you run before you jump. Another thing that you can do is you can turn on the coordinates so you can see all the locations. And you turn them off though. All right, so 5, 1 is here. Then the next one is 1, 2. So 1, 2. Then comes 4, 3. Then 2, 4, and then 3, 5. And when you've finished, you can submit your answer. And if all goes well and you answered it correctly, you get this congratulations, and there should be fireworks if you have your volume turned on appropriately on your machine. Now, we can go on to the next problem. Let me go ahead and just make a mistake and show you what happens. So if I submit this and it's wrong, it says try again. If, let's say I've tried a couple of times and I can't get it, I can also show the solution and it will show me the answer. Okay. That is pretty much it. One more thing that I'd like to show you is if you feel like you understand, you can do as many exercises as you like, and I encourage you to do them often. So more is better. But one thing that you can do is give yourself a test. So if you go to Vitruvia, if you go to Apps, Vitruvia, and then Tests, you can select which concepts you want to be tested on. For example, do a test on Concept 1, and then you can pick however many questions you want to be in your test. So I'm going to pick, let's say, 3 questions. I'm going to start the test. All right, so notice it's telling me how long I'm taking here, and it also says so far how many questions I have correct and incorrect and so on. All right, so let's just do this test and see what the answers, what our results look like. So put a red brick in the cells whose locations are. So red brick, locations 2, 0, right here. 3, 1, 4, 2, sort of see that as a pattern. And then let's see what's next. 3, 3, I think I see the pattern here. 2, 4, I can guess that I'm guessing this is the next one. 1, 3, 0, 2, and 1, 1. Check, correct. Now comes the next question. Put a 1x1 blue brick in the cells whose locations are 0, 0, 0, 1, which is right here, 0, 2, 0, 3, and 0, 4. All right, that looks good. Double check. And the last test question here is put a yellow brick in the cells whose locations are 0, 4. It's up there. 1, 3, 2, 2. Oh, this looks like a diagonal. 3, 1, 4, 0. And then let's see, 0, 0, 1, 1. Well, this looks like it's going to be a cross, an X, right? 1, 1, and then 3, 3, and then 4, 4. So I would like to point out, just because you think you recognize the pattern, I would still check to make sure that the cells are the right ones that you're filling in. And so I have completed. I answered all 3 questions correctly, and this is how much time I took. All right, good luck with Concept 1.